Hello, welcome back to Crochet Smash. We will start doing a slip knot. I got a couple of requests how to start doing crochet. Show the very basic ones. So today we are going to start with the slip knot. To make the slip knot, hold the end of the yarn in your hand like this. Make the longer end top of like this. Put your hook on top of your finger. Grab the working yarn and here take it off the finger and you can tighten it by pulling it. Now we will do it one more time. You hold both the ends and like this, just come out, magic, just like this. Thus insert the hook, hold this one just like that. Yes, tighten by pulling the working yarn. Then to start a stitch, first chain, you move your hook, get the yarn on the hook and pull it through that loop. In. You get the yarn on the hook. Yeah, got it. So let us do it one more time. Just like this. See, it's a loop. This is the end of the yarn. Leave it there. Take the working side, pull it on top of here. Then you can put your fingers in and get that here. See, that's it. Then leave that yarn tail like that. Then you just pull your working yarn, it will tighten. Then you can transfer that loop to your hook. Then again you pull the working yarn, you got this. I will show you with another yarn. This is my red yarn. So we go like just like this. Working yarn on my right, yarn tail on my left. Take the working yarn, put it on top of the yarn tail. You have a loop. Now you put it up and grab your working yarn, bring it through the loop. There you have it. It's a big one. You can now pull the working yarn and voila, there it goes smaller. Put your hook there, pull more to make it shorter. You want to make it big? Pull it up. That's it. Magic. And here. And to start the chain, now you have the slip knot on the hook. Take the working yarn on, use your hook to grab the yarn and bring it through that slip knot. Now you made one chain, so grab one more one more time the yarn, bring it through that. take it, bring it to through that loop. Yeah, that is your chain. You pull it out. Yep, nothing happened. Hold the tail in your hand. Bring the working yarn on top of the tail. Put your needle, put your hook inside, grab it, bring it up. You have your slip knot. Hold the slip knot on the hook and hold the working yarn tight. Pull it. You got a tighter. You can wiggle it. We can make it bigger. Then start with chain. Take the yarn by the hook through the slip knot. One chain. Take the yarn through the hook, 2 chains. That's it. All things crochet start with chain. Start chaining. Just hold the end and pull this working yarn. There is the magic. Nothing happened.